Airbus A320. Number 5. First introduced on April 18, 1988. The fifth best-selling aircraft in the world that is still produced today is none other than the state-of-art Airbus A320. The narrow-body twinjet A320 is the greatest-selling aircraft of the European giant that cemented its position as the largest commercial aircraft maker in the world. Boeing 737. Number 4. First introduced in February 10, 1968. Boeing 737 is the most successful aircraft of U.S. aerospace giant Boeing Company and makes it to the list of the world's best-selling airplanes still in production. The first B-737 entered revenue service with German flagship carrier Lufthansa in 1968, and 54 years later, it still holds the same value and receives the same favor from airlines worldwide. Piper PA-28 Cherokee. Number 3. First introduced in 1960, the Piper PA-28 Cherokee series is a family of single-engine, 2-seat or 4-seat light aircraft ideal for personal use, flight training, and air taxi use. It is powered by a 4-cylinder HP Lycoming and features an all-metal design with low-wing, aluminum monocoque construction. Piper Company introduced this single engine. Beechcraft Bonanza. Number 2. First introduced in 1947. The second greatest selling aircraft that has been in continuous production since 1947 is an American-made Beechcraft Bonanza. It is a 6-seater single-engined aircraft designed and built to be certified in the utility category. It represents the ultimate piston single for many pilots and enjoys popularity among air charter companies. Cessna 172 Skyhawk. Number 1. First introduced in 1956. An American 4-seat, single-engine Cessna 172 Skyhawk wears the crown of best-selling aircraft in the world. This fixed-wing utility airliner has undergone many tweaks and improvements over the years and continues to be a common sight in skies worldwide. The Wichita-headquartered Cessna Aircraft Company still manufactures this iconic aircraft and doesn't plan to end its production run anytime soon. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel.